Hi, today we're going to take a look at how you can create a really sweet, cool lead sound in Bitwig Studio using the polymer synth and also amplitude modulation. And I'm also going to show you how you can process this lead sound to get the sweet soaring lead in your EDM productions. And make sure you stick around for the end, because I'm also going to show you recording some acoustic guitar and some acoustic guitar processing, so we can get a cool mix. And make sure you're subscribed here to my channel. Just hit that subscribe button below the video and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming live streams or these videos. Tag along. A really cool thing you can do if you want to create some epic leads is, let's just use pulse. And we're gonna add a really fast LFO to the amplitude. Some amplitude modulation. Classic LFO. So you can really make the sound sounding like it's like burning, like it's destroyed a little bit. And now we can adjust that like amount of distraction with the amount here. Now it's pure. And now it's burning. Now let's just add some tasty Valhalla Supermassive, and we have a nice lead. Yeah, so I'm gonna record something and we'll see if some melody pops up. So I'm tuning in this lead sound to have its own little pocket in the mix. So we still get the brightness from maybe the pad and that piano a little bit. So every instrument had their own little pocket and place in the mix. So it's easier to navigate and listen to the whole thing. Here I'm just going into the recording and making sure I'm just having the first take. Because when the loop returns to the beginning, it starts to record the second take. It's a quite dead room up here in the studio, so I usually add a little bit of room reverb. Now there's one thing we can do. We can add an effect chain. So this is without, and this is a with effect. We pan this one to the right a little bit. Quite nice stereo effect, I think. Now we have a lot of small pieces to select from when we want to build an arrangement or track around this. So we can just take everything, Command D, and duplicate these a few times. And then we can maybe mute the lead synth here in the beginning. Four. Okay, so I think that's all for today, for this stream. Gotta go grab some Swedish fika. have a cup of coffee and check on some other stuff.